Welcome back to Dev Masters. Today's video is going to talk about the syntax of that programming. So let's go about it. Basic syntax of that programming language. Basic syntax represents the fundamental rules of programming languages. Without these rules, it's very impossible to write a functioning code. So let us talk one by one. Let us talk on them one by one. So we are going to start with comments. We have what we call single line comments, multi-line comments. So let us do it practically. On your browser, type that.dev. Click enter. Then click on try that. So this you first run it to see if it is working normally. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I delete what is inside after the void main, after the main program, because I told you in the last video that every program will have void main as the start entry of the program. So let us delete it and we print. We are going to print hello world. We print hello world, then terminate and run. So you see it is going to run successfully. Hello world has run successfully. So when we comment it out, and we print the same thing, let me copy it and I paste it, and we print it when we have commented it out, and we run again. It will not be affected because comments are left out in the program. They are not printed. So this was single line comments. Let us also print the double line comment. So go ahead and print the multi-line comments. So this is how we print. We write the backslash after the forward the backslash, then asterisk. This is like multiplication sign. Then you write everything that you want to comment out. So when we run, it will be left out. Yeah, it will not be printed. But now if we print again other things after it, let me print my name, Benjamin, and we print it after the after all the comments, it will be printed. So the comments are not affected, or they don't affect they don't affect the program. Yeah, this is done. So we go to new line. How do we create a new line on that programming language? So new line are included by the /n to make sure that the program moves to another line. So let us do it practically. I want to print out the message that says this is my man. This is my man. Then if I want to include and that is my course. So I want to make sure that from here goes to another line. From here it goes to another line. So what I will do, I'll do \n and I run it. Yeah, you see. So if I remove it and I run it again, it will be printed on single line. I hadn't run it. Yeah. So when you want to make sure it goes to another line, you use the backslash n. Use the backslash n. Okay. So next we are going to talk about the variables and data types. A data variable is a piece of memory that contains a data value. Variables are typically used to store information which your program needs to function. So without these variables, some programs cannot function. These variables are case sensitive. If you write val x and val x and val capital X, those two are different. That's what they mean by case sensitive. Yeah. To declare a variable, write var directly before the variable. Data type. Data type represents the type of data that can be stored and manipulated in a variable. So data types represents what will be stored. For example, you can store a string, an integer, a double, a boolean. So those ones are data types. So this is how we declare the variable. You say var name equals string Bob. So variables store references. So this variable name is storing a reference of Bob. So let us do it practically. Yeah, let us do it practically one by one. I'm going to do it past these ones. Yeah. So I'm going to say, because we are still in a main program, void main. So I'm going to say var message. Var message equals. Now I'm going to use a string. Var message equals hello dot. Terminate. Then I say var age equals 29. Terminate. Then I can also say so if I want to access them, I will just now come down and I say print, I just say message, terminate, then I say print, I print out age. So when I run, you see it is printing hello dot and the 29. You can also declare them like this. So you say int number equals int number equals 500 equals 20 or 200. Then you say double equals double pi equals 2.3. Terminate. You can say bool is bool. Here we are defining a boolean. Bull is that fun equals to true. Equals to true. So terminate and come and access them. To access them, you now say print none, terminate, print pi, terminate, then print is that fun. So this is what I was telling you. If now I change this one to small f, it is meaning the same thing, is that fun, but is different from this one. So it will automatically give me the what? The error. Undefined name is that fun, because we never defined it on app anywhere. So when we run now, and a good thing with that, if you have a mistake or if you have an error, it just gives you where that error is before even you continue. Network. Yeah. So guys, this is it. Yeah, int 200 it has been printed successfully. Yeah, let us also we kill the birds with the same stone. Let us also talk about we have finished talking about this one. I have finished talking about names. Strings, we finished them. Booleans, I have done the example on boolean. List, let us also talk about list before we go to challenge. Yeah, list is also a data type. List is also the variable of list. So I'm going to have two lists. I'm going to have two lists. One, I'm going to have the list of the I'm going to have the list of the numbers and the list of the issue. Yeah, I'm going to have the list which is integer and is the numbers and the list of the floats. So if you are going to print, if you want to print now, you just say print, then you say numbers. And terminate. Also print, then you say fruits, and do what? And terminate. Then if you run, yeah, so you see it has been printed, the list. Now if you want to access, if you want, you can just say, you can print it as a string, then you call its address. You just say my list number is, then you say address, you press shift and $sign or shift 4, then you say number. Numbers. Yeah, so if you run it, Yeah, this is it. You can also do it here. So if you want to access only one single number, we use what we call indexes, and indexes starts from 0. So index of 1 is 0, index of 2 is 1, index of 3 is 2, index of 4 is what? Is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So if you want to print, let me say 1, or let me print 2, you just say print, then you print its what? Its index. You print its index is 1. Fruits, I want to print apple. So if I run it, the value index of 1 is I print the address and I call the list. I call its list. Then I call the address of the fruits. I call the list and the index. So I want to print banana. Wow. So guys, the next part is about the challenge. So this is a challenge. You will write a program in void main function, initializes the following. You will initialize the integer num1 to be this, num2 to be this, string argument to be this, boolean to be this. Then you print out the sum, print out and combine the greeting and the hello and the word. Then you print out the. So this is the challenge that I am giving you guys. You will get it from the documentation, and it will be in the what? In the description. So the link to this documentation will be in the description. Go ahead and do this challenge, and you master, because with the programming you have to do hands-on. You do the challenges, you face some challenges, and where you get challenge, please inbox me. You can inbox me on my WhatsApp. I will leave the number in the description too, or you call me, or you even send me the email, or you comment. I'll come and erase the error that you have got. So guys, this was the tutorial. Have a good day and enjoy your days. Thank you.